How to add Analysis ToolPak for Excel, Microsoft Excel 2016. You check, go to data. If there is no analysis data in this corner, so you didn't install it for the Microsoft Excel. So you can go from File, Option, then Add in. Here you can find it. In my Microsoft Excel, it is a language, I think, Ukraine or Russian. That is the Analysis ToolPak for Excel. Then you have to press go before OK. Go. Then take this one. OK. Now you see data analysis here. We installed data analysis, and there is this functions you can do it with data analysis or Analysis ToolPak. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.